By the way, in the beginning, in order for you to get these little things out, just push the inside all the way down. It has 3 of them. 2, 3. 3 is over here, and that's how you remove them. Okay, so what happened with my vehicle is the Lexus RX330 is I was driving, all of a sudden I see the check engine light on and also like the VSC on. So I took my scan tool and it says something about P0346 Crankshaft Position Sensor A. And so I looked it up, and it's this one right here. So I went to O'Reilly and I got the parts for it. So this is the one that I just removed. Okay, and so this is the one that I will be replacing it with. Okay, and this one is about $46, and then plus tax about $51, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. All right, so I just finished reinstalling the new ones in. So as you can see, that's the new one right there. And in order for you to go get to that place, you got to remove this this fan over here, hose right here. There's like 3 10mm, 1, 2, 3, and you just unplug this outlet here, and then you can move this whole thing out of the way, and then you can, for this one right here, you just like clip on the side of it, and you remove that in order for you to put your socket inside here, because the socket here, it's coming down at an angle like this. Okay, so the bolt so that's how I got it in. So everything's in right now, so we're just gonna put everything back together, and we're gonna turn on the engine to see if we still have the same code again. Okay, so now we're gonna turn it on and to see if the codes automatically get cleared, or do I have to reset them. So earlier I had the check engine light on and the VSC was on. So as we can see, after the replacement, there's no more engine light on, and there's the VSC's is no longer there as well. So it automatically corrected itself. You don't need the scan tool to reset it, which is good. But in some cases, you might have to reset the codes and then just turn on your engine and to see if it's faulty, then it'll come back again. But in this case, we don't see it, so it fixes itself. Okay, so that is what happened when you how to deal with the camshaft position sensor A bank 2 on a Lexus 2004 all the way to I think 2009. Some of this might work on models such as Sienna or Highlander as well. Okay, as long as the engine is the same as the Lexus RX330 and possibly the RX350, because probably the engine is about the same. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comment below. If some way somehow the video helped you anyway, give it a like, and if you like the channel, just subscribe. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.